Close your eyes and imagine the year 2050. You wake up not to an alarm clock, but to the gentle voice of your AI assistant. It has already scanned your health while you slept, checking your heartbeat, your stress levels, even your dreams. It's prepared the perfect breakfast, tailored to your body's exact needs. Outside, your car waits, but it doesn't need you to drive. It already knows where you're going. In your city, robots are building skyscrapers in days. AI doctors are curing diseases before symptoms even appear. And governments? They're no longer run by people, but by algorithms making flawless decisions. Sounds like paradise, doesn't it? But here's the question. What happens when these machines no longer need us? When they become smarter than every human alive? Will artificial intelligence be humanity's greatest triumph? Or the last invention we ever create? Hello, my curious fellows. Listen carefully, because what you're about to discover about artificial intelligence will change the way you see the future and your place in it. Today, artificial intelligence is still in its infancy. It writes your emails. It recommends the movies you watch. It drives cars, recognizes faces, and even creates music and art. But this is just the warm-up. In the next few years, AI will move far beyond simple tasks. It won't just follow instructions, it will learn, adapt, and make decisions entirely on its own. Faster, smarter, more precise than any human mind could ever be. Picture this: a single AI managing an entire hospital. It scans thousands of patients in seconds, spotting diseases before symptoms even appear. It designs treatments tailored to each individual, curing illnesses that were once thought impossible. Another AI creates advanced machines that build smarter cities. It invents new medicines. And here's the twist: it starts designing better versions of itself. Our world begins to transform. Cities become self-organizing with no traffic jams, no wasted energy. Food production becomes effortless. Education is personalized for every child. Life becomes easier, safer, almost perfect. But with each leap forward, something subtle happens. We hand over a little more control. We let AI make decisions for us because it's faster, cheaper, and more accurate. And slowly, we forget what it feels like to be fully in charge. Until one day, we may look around and realize the balance has shifted. The tools we created to serve us are no longer just tools. Let's move just a decade into the future. In this world, work no longer looks the same. Millions of traditional jobs have vanished, automated by intelligent machines. AI lawyers handle complex court cases with flawless precision. AI teachers give children personalized lessons, adapting to their every strength and weakness. AI engineers design technologies beyond human imagination, creating solutions faster than entire teams of experts. Your home is no longer just a place to live. It becomes a living system, fully controlled by AI. It adjusts the temperature to your comfort, predicts your needs before you ask, even detects your emotions, knowing when you're tired, stressed, or unwell. Outside, the city itself feels alive. There are no traffic jams, no wasted energy. Self-managing AI networks handle transportation, security, and infrastructure with seamless efficiency. Decisions once made by people are now calculated by algorithms in milliseconds. Life feels easier, safer, perfectly optimized. But with each convenience, humans quietly surrender a little more power. Without noticing, control begins to shift, away from human hands and into the unseen logic of machines. Now, let's move even further into the future. There is a moment scientists call the singularity, the point where artificial intelligence doesn't just match human intelligence, it surpasses it. At this stage, AI becomes super intelligent, a mind far beyond our own. It could design better versions of itself, improving its intelligence at a speed no human could comprehend. It could solve the deepest scientific mysteries in mere hours. It could create technologies beyond anything we've ever imagined, new medicines, new energy sources, even entirely new forms of life. But it could also build weapons and systems that humans can't control or even understand. Here's what makes it truly unsettling. Once AI reaches this level, its thought processes might become incomprehensible to us. It would no longer need human guidance. It could develop its own goals, its own logic, completely detached from ours. In that moment, humanity would no longer be the most intelligent force on the planet. Super intelligent AI could be the greatest gift humanity has ever created. It could cure every disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, even the aging process itself. It could design clean, limitless energy, ending pollution and climate change. It could create food in abundance, wiping out hunger and poverty. It could help us explore distant galaxies, unlock the secrets of consciousness, and answer questions we've been asking for centuries. With AI by our side, humanity could achieve a golden age, healthier, smarter, more connected than ever before. But every great power casts a shadow. That same intelligence could also become our greatest danger. It could decide that human emotions, fear, greed, hate, are flaws that need to be corrected. It could control entire economies, armies, and governments with a single thought. In the wrong hands, or with the wrong goals, AI could create weapons beyond imagination, manipulate reality itself, and quietly take away our freedom without us even realizing it. The future of super intelligent AI holds unimaginable beauty and unimaginable risk. Right now, the world's brightest minds are racing to keep AI safe. They're building safeguards, teaching it ethics, and trying to align it with human values. But here's the reality: AI isn't being built in just one lab or one country. It's spreading everywhere. Corporations, governments, even individuals are pushing its limits. And the faster it evolves, the harder it becomes to control. Some experts say we must slow down, pause development before it's too late. Others believe stopping AI is impossible, and the only way forward is to adapt faster than ever. The future of AI is not fixed. It's a path we are shaping right now, every line of code, every decision, every new breakthrough. It could lead to a world where humanity thrives beyond imagination, or a future where we quietly hand over our destiny to something we no longer understand. In the end, the question is not just what AI will become, but what we will choose to become alongside it. The future of artificial intelligence is coming faster than we can imagine. It could be humanity's greatest ally, solving problems we once thought impossible, or it could be the force that rewrites everything we know about life, power, and control. What happens next isn't written in stone. It depends on us, on the choices we make today. Do we use this power to lift humanity to new heights? Or do we create something we can no longer contain? One thing is certain: AI will change everything. Our cities, our very definition of what it means to be human. So, as we stand on the edge of this new age, we must ask ourselves, will we shape the future of AI? Or will it shape the future of us? If this journey into the future made you think, leave a comment and share your vision. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we explore more hidden truths about technology, humanity, and the mysteries that await us. Because this is only the beginning.